Okay, so now we will try to create another room with some facilities. Okay, I will select the facilities, projector, Wi-Fi and air conditioner. Then once we click on create, here whatever code is mentioned in the processing, they will run. Okay, first it will run the process from meeting room details, then it will run link facilities to room, then it will close the dialog. Okay, so meeting room C is created, and we can check whether the facility is also mapped to that room. So I will just refresh the table. Okay, so here we can notice three records is inserted into room facility mapping table with room ID 24 and facility ID 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now if I navigate to same room for modification purpose, so we will see whether it is populating the data. So let me go to another room. Okay, so for room A and room C it is displaying same details. Why? Because this is the cache issue. So and also we need to map source for this one. Again I will go to that page item, and here, so this LOV query, this is different, and now we need to map the source. When the page is loaded, so it should take data from this table. Okay, it should take data from this table uh, for the room, selected room. So here we can, if it is a form, directly we can select the form, but in our case it is something different, so we need to write the SQL query. So here there is a lot of values are available. We can use the function, we can also use expression, we can use SQL query return single value, SQL query return multiple values. So in this case our query is returning multiple values, so directly we can use SQL query return multiple values. Okay, and here we can write the SQL query. So I already have a query written here, and I will take the same query. It is simple query only. So we can also click on help section, so that it will tell how to write the query. Just focus the cursor here, then click on help. So here we can see it will give the hint how to write the query. So this is the query. uh, Table name is same, facility ID also same. Let me validate the query. Okay, query is right, room ID, and here we can change the uh, page item name. So in that application page number 3, and in this application this is the page number 6. And here this setting, so if we select always replacing any existing value in session state, so whenever the page is loaded it will always execute this query and populate the values into that facilities page item. So here now we can notice room B we have not mapped any facilities, so it is not showing anything. But for room C we have already mapped and it is populating the correct data. Okay, I think this tutorial is clear to everyone. So if there is any doubts, you can just put a comment so that I will try to solve those comments in the next tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching.